In today's world, modern manufacturing depends on millions of complex machines designed to make everything from automobiles to pharmaceuticals. But inevitably, machines break down, run into errors, and need to be monitored for performance to ensure everything runs smoothly. But what happens when critical alerts go unnoticed or don't reach the right people fast enough? Response time slows, safety risks develop, and your operations experience downtime, which costs you money. Enter SeQent. SeQent leverages your PLCs, HMIs, and SCADA systems to connect real-time alarm and event data from control systems directly to the right people. SeQent lets you customize your alarm escalation to radios, phones, displays, and more to turn alarms into action. This means your return on investment starts as soon as SeQent delivers the right message to the right person at the right moment. SeQent helps operations, maintenance, and automation teams keep production running safely, reliably, and without interruption. SeQent, connecting alarms to action.